Yeah, JB again, watching on today, right now. I'll be cooking my head steam, we call it steam fish head, yeah? See that? So I got fresh, just got this from the ocean, right? I'm gonna now season I got a little steak from it, because I got a whole my. So I'm gonna season, so watch the journey. And yeah, I got it washed with some lemon juice and vinegar, yeah. And I got right here, I got some seafood spice, allspice, yeah. So watch the journey. Oh yeah, I washed my hands and everything already. So yeah, you know we have to stay sanitized, right? So I'm just gonna do a little bit of the seasoning right here, and I'm gonna do a little bit of black pepper. Of course, you know, with fish, you don't need nothing more than a little bit of black pepper and some salt, right? But of course, you know, we have that allspice and I got black pepper already. What else? Oh, I'm gonna do turmeric too. So I'm gonna do like a little curry fish, yeah? Yeah, it's a turnip, yeah? So I got carrot, okra, and turnip. This is the food in it. And of course I'm going to add to it later some water.
Jamaican dish for those people who eat fish, and it's also fast cooking meal. You cook real fast, yeah? Normally people use turnips in steamed fish, but for me, no, I put basically whatever I want in my steamed fish when I feel like it. And for me, something is also what I have and what is available. And I just use what I have. And I feel like I want some alkaline rich food, so yeah.
Some turnips. Okay, so here. Piece from it. Garlic. I cook with a lot of garlic. I don't know who does that, but I love garlic. No matter what I'm cooking, garlic gotta be in it. Okay, so here I'm actually washing the okra with some vinegar, yeah. What it does is it get rid of any pesticide or anything that, you know, might be on the vegetables from spraying, etc. See? I'm gonna rinse them off. There are those who does steam fish, and when the fish is steamed, it's like very soupy. Of course, you want to have some gravy in your steamed fish, but not soup, like soup. You know what I mean? So soup is soup, pretty much. All right. So I got me all my seasonings here ready, all my food stuff. I got my okra and I got my fish. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get ready. Get the pot on, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a little bit of coconut oil, you know, give it some flavor, right? That's about it. Not too much oil because I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in there also to give it some flavor as it goes. But for now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slightly cook my seasonings and my veggies to get that flavor out, that aroma, and then I'm gonna add my fish. A lot of people use coconut milk. I'm not doing a coconut milk, I'm doing a regular steamed fish, yeah? So pretty much that's it. Watch the journey. I think I'm hot now. A little bit of sizzle.
This is something
This here is to get the pumpkin and the seasoning. Yeah, man. I hear that. All the veggies slowly cooking. Yeah. Alright. Just to add a little bit of warm water. Alright. I'm gonna cover again. Cook for a few more minutes. Then it's time for the mahi. Look at that. It's nice and fresh. Mahi. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna actually put the fish in now. See? One side of the my head. Other side of the my head. Seems like I should have used a bigger pot, but it's okay. And then another piece of yeah, maybe a bigger pot would be better, but it could still cook on this one. I got the pumpkin style cooked. Scotch bonnet. Famous Scotch bonnet. Yeah. Voila. Then I let it simmer before I start stirring. Yeah. So after all, guys, the pot was actually too small, so I'm transferring it to bigger pot. Look at how pretty that is. Literally pretty. Beautiful. Let's see. Turn it. So, got a bigger pot. And now I'm gonna add to this pot some butter, and of course you have to try the Jamaican Golden Quarters margarine gold seal. Yeah, this is one of the Jamaican favorite in cooking, like rice and stews and stuff like that. Yeah, this itself is flavor. Okay, here we are. If you know, you know. Look at this. Nice steamed fish with okra, potatoes, carrots, and turnips. Yeah? Look at this. Slide off the fork, the spoon. Yeah, man. So I'm just going to prepare a plate right away. If you know, you know. I should actually turn this off. So one side of the fish head right there. You get some of this right here. And guess what? Dinner is served. How does that look? How does that look? Yeah, man.